Welcome back to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. This is part 4 of our video on 17 trouble spots signaling car reliability issues. We are very happy to have you visit us. Let's dive right in and explore further. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for the latest updates on car reliability. Trouble spot 12. Weak airflow, blowing hot air, strange odors. Does your car's air conditioner seem to be lacking the power it once had? Maybe it's blowing hot air instead of cool, refreshing air. And have you noticed any peculiar odors when the AC is running? If you're experiencing these issues, it's likely that your car is signaling some reliability problems in the HVAC system. Let's take a closer look at each of these trouble spots. Weak airflow. One common indication of car reliability issues is weak airflow from the air conditioning vents. Instead of feeling a consistent, strong flow of cool air, you might notice that only a small amount of air is coming out or that the airflow is inconsistent. This could be caused by a variety of factors such as a clogged air filter, a malfunctioning blower motor, or even a problem with the ventilation system. If you're not getting adequate airflow, it's best to have it checked by a professional to diagnose and fix the issue. Blowing hot air. The purpose of your car's air conditioning system is to keep you cool and comfortable, especially during hot summer days. So, if you're getting blasts of hot air instead of the cool air you desire, it's a clear sign of a reliability problem. There are several potential causes for this issue, ranging from a refrigerant leak to a faulty compressor or a malfunctioning blend door. Whatever the cause, don't suffer through the heat. Have your AC system inspected and repaired by a qualified mechanic. Strange odors. Unpleasant odors emanating from your car's air conditioning system can be both distracting and concerning. If you're noticing musty, moldy, or foul smells when you turn on the AC, it's a sign that something is amiss. These odors are often a result of bacteria, mold, or mildew growing within the system. In some cases, a dirty cabin air filter could also be the culprit. To get rid of these odors and ensure the air you breathe is fresh and clean, it's recommended to have your HVAC system cleaned and serviced regularly. By addressing weak airflow, blowing hot air, and strange odors as soon as they arise, you can maintain the reliability of your car's air conditioning system. Remember, regular maintenance and timely repairs are key to ensuring your AC operates optimally and keeps you comfortable on the road. Don't hesitate to consult a professional mechanic to diagnose and resolve any issues you encounter with your car's HVAC system. Trouble spot 13. Body rust, corroded battery terminals, rusty exhaust system. When it comes to car reliability, it's crucial to keep an eye out for any trouble spots that could potentially lead to bigger problems down the road. In this section, we'll discuss 3 common issues that can indicate car reliability concerns: body rust, corroded battery terminals, and a rusty exhaust system. Body rust. Body rust is a problem commonly found in older vehicles, especially those exposed to harsh weather conditions or road salt. Rust can start small, but if left untreated, it can spread and weaken the structural integrity of your car. Not only does rust affect the appearance of your vehicle, but it can also lead to costly repairs. To prevent and address body rust, regular maintenance is key. Wash your car frequently, paying extra attention to the undercarriage and areas prone to rust, such as the wheel wells and lower portions of the body. Consider applying a protective coating or wax to create a barrier against moisture and salt. If you notice any signs of rust, such as bubbling paint or discoloration, it's best to act promptly. Consult a professional auto body shop to assess the extent of the damage and recommend appropriate repairs. Corroded battery terminals. Corroded battery terminals can cause various electrical issues and even prevent your car from starting. Battery corrosion is typically caused by a chemical reaction between the battery acid and metal terminals. Factors like heat and humidity can accelerate this process. Regularly inspect your battery terminals for signs of corrosion, such as a white or bluish powdery substance around the connections. If you notice corrosion, it's important to clean it off as soon as possible. Disconnect the battery, wearing protective gloves and eyewear, and use a wire brush or solution specifically designed for battery cleaning. After cleaning, reconnect the terminals securely and apply a thin layer of petroleum jelly or dielectric grease to help prevent future corrosion. Remember, proper battery maintenance can extend the lifespan of your battery and avoid potential starting issues. Rusty exhaust system. A rusty exhaust system not only affects the performance of your vehicle but can also pose safety hazards. Over time, exposure to moisture, road salt, and exhaust gases can cause corrosion to the pipes and muffler. Regularly inspect your exhaust system for signs of rust, such as visible holes, flaking metal, or a deteriorating appearance. Rusty areas may also feel weak or spongy when touched. If you notice any of these signs, you should address the issue promptly. Depending on the severity of the rust, repairs can range from simple patching to complete replacement of exhaust components. Consult a qualified mechanic or exhaust specialist to assess the condition of your system and recommend the appropriate course of action. By keeping an eye on body rust, corroded battery terminals, and a rusty exhaust system, you can assure the reliability and safety of your vehicle. Regular maintenance, timely repairs, and proper care will go a long way in preserving your car's longevity and preventing potentially costly issues. Remember, maintenance is key when it comes to car reliability. Stay tuned for more trouble spots to keep an eye on in our upcoming sections. Trouble Spot 14. Flickering headlights, dim interior lights, non-functioning wipers. If you've noticed issues with your car's lights and wipers, it's crucial not to ignore them. Flickering headlights, dim interior lights, and non-functioning wipers are clear indicators of potential reliability issues. Addressing these problems promptly can help prevent further complications and ensure your vehicle is safe and dependable on the road. Let's take a closer look at each of these trouble spots. Flickering headlights. One of the most common signs of car reliability issues is flickering headlights. If you've observed your headlights constantly dimming or flickering, it's usually an indication of an electrical problem. Faulty wiring, a weak alternator, or a failing battery could be causing this issue. Ignoring flickering headlights not only compromises your visibility at night but can also lead to a complete headlight failure. To ensure your safety and prevent potential breakdowns, it's advisable to have a professional mechanic inspect and address the problem promptly. Dim interior lights. Dim interior lights can be an inconvenience and a potential reliability concern. When your car's interior lights are noticeably dimmer than usual, it may be a sign of a weak battery or a faulty electrical connection. In some cases, it could also indicate a problem with the car's alternator. If you find yourself struggling to see the gauges, controls, or cabin area due to dim lighting, it's wise to have the issue diagnosed and resolved by a qualified technician. They can identify the root cause and perform the necessary repairs to restore proper lighting within your vehicle. Non-functioning wipers. Your car's windshield wipers play a crucial role in maintaining clear visibility during rainy or snowy weather conditions. If your wipers fail to work altogether, it can be a significant safety hazard. Non-functioning wipers are often caused by a malfunctioning wiper motor, a blown fuse, a damaged linkage, or worn-out wiper blades. Don't wait until a heavy downpour to discover that your wipers aren't working. It's essential to have them checked and repaired as soon as possible to ensure optimal visibility and safe driving in inclement weather. Addressing these trouble spots promptly can help prevent more extensive and costly issues down the line. Regular maintenance and inspections are key to ensuring the reliability and safety of your vehicle. If you encounter any of these problems with your car's headlights, interior lights, or windshield wipers, don't hesitate to seek professional assistance to diagnose and resolve the underlying causes. Your peace of mind and road safety depends on it. Thank you for tuning in to Easy Driver. We've covered some crucial trouble spots in this video, but there's more to explore in Part 5. Stay tuned for the next installment, where we'll delve even deeper into car reliability issues. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to stay updated with our automotive insights. See you in Part 5.